So, good evening, Philippines. Today is Monday, August 10th. And before I start off, here is the usual disclaimer. So, any comments made during this live webinar, or should I say recorded webinar, should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. I must emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor a professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader like everyone else. And once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. You can see I have some guests here who are just joining me to do this live trade. They're my students right now. And before I even start, let's look at, there's not really nothing going on in the economic news front. In fact, there's no news at all. That's why I'm not even bringing it up. But let's look at the macro account. Overnight session was really pretty much dead. It was basically right here. As you can see here, it's been trading more on right here by the Fibonacci retracements and also within the value area. There's the value area high. Here's the value area low. And basically you can see there's basically in a flag pattern in a triangle. So basically really going nowhere, just oscillating. And now we finally break that pattern to the upside, but then again, we're hitting the value area high here, as well as you can see here, this is the point of control. So I'm expecting, you know what, I'm really expecting no movement this whole day, I think. So we'll see. Like I said, it's already been playing around with this Fibonacci retracement levels here and has not really tried to break out at all. So we'll see what's going to go on here, as you can see here in the macro. So let's go look at, we're looking here. Let me see here. That is the regular trading hours. Is still, you can see that's still forming there. So let's go to the ETH chart, the Congressive chart, but with electronic trading hours with the electronic VWAP. The VWAP is right here. Let me see here. VWAP is right here. That's the 24/7 VWAP or overnight VWAP. As you can see, we already opened. So we'll see what's going to happen here. Here's the value area high, value area low. This is the point of control, or the POC. So you can see now it's just sitting here between the POC and the value area high. So we'll see what's going to happen here. Really no momentum at all. It's pretty just dead. In fact, I would draw out let me see if I can draw out a map here. I would say right here. Looking at a channel, this is the channel right here. It's mostly for the past hour or more than an hour. It's basically right here. That's where you're at. And that's what it's been doing. Oops, let me see here. So that's what it's been doing right now. And if you're looking at that channel, you're looking at how many points channel here? We're looking at 9.75, which can be tradable. But if you're looking at the bandwidth, so we're looking at maybe 7 points. We're looking at, I might even go for 6 ticks for take profit here. And because it's not really going anywhere. There's no volatility at all. So we'll see what has happened. Let me see if I can scalp for maybe 6 ticks. But my goal, I'm trading one contract. I am testing for this. It's called earn to trade. As you can see here, it's going to be earn to trade, trying to test for a $25,000 live account. But I need to be conservative because it has a daily $500 loss limit. So I can't break that. So I'm trading one contract. My goal is to make at least $100 or $200 depending. But knowing this today, it's pretty, volatility is kind of low. Hopefully we'll make around 100, and that'll be, I'll call it a day then. That's my profit goal, unless there's some volatility that picks up. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this on mute, and I will talk to you guys later. well, no, I have some students here. I'm going to explain what I'm seeing. So this is more advanced. Who's here? Jerome. So this is more advanced. Um, so what you can see here, this is the, here's the Keltner channel, right? So just look at that. Um, again, this is more of a, as you can see, there's really no, we're above the 3 here. So we'll see what we can do here, because right now it's just oscillate. It's just in a range, right? And I don't want to get chopped up. So that's the reason why I'm steering. I got to see what's going to happen here. I got to see what they want to do with the market. So I don't want to, oops, jump in right away. Where's this horizontal line? I just want to mark off my thing here. So instead of that, let's take that out so we can see it. So there, this is basically the channel between the 2 lines. And like I said, our momentum is where it's up right now. Our immediate momentum is up. So what we're going to be doing here is waiting to see. You can see right here, the MACD is kind of flat. So what we would do is just wait for an entry. We don't want to be too aggressive, because like I said, you get too aggressive, might end up in a loss. So you just want to do the perfect setup right now. Right now we're in a range, but we can scalp for less than 8 ticks if we can get the setup. Again, my goal is right now 100, at least 100, 150, between 100, 200 for the day, because volatility is very small, very low. As you can see, the band is only, what, 7 points? So it's very, very low. So let's see this.
Order submitted.
Oh, we need to get this. Now we're getting some volume here. Now this might be an aggressive trade here. This trade here is more advanced. It's not part of your legacy setups. It's basically more advanced, but I gotta see how it's going to react here.
Order filled.
Okay, it's 35, 53, 50, 55. So I'm basically writing this momentum because, again, this is a more advanced entry. I'm scalping this for 6 ticks rather than 8 because the volatility is quite low. In fact, it now has decreased down to 6. Before, when we started off, it was at 7. That's why the volatility has decreased. Therefore, I adjust my take profit. It's not filling yet. That's why you just let it sit there because I know it's going to go past that. Hard time filling that.
Target filled.
There.
Yeah.
So there we got that one. We just need,
Yeah.
if we look at this, this is my account. Let me see here. Right here. So basically we're up right now 113.75. I started here. Let me see here. So that's my trades. Do I have anything here? Hold on. Yeah. So this was earlier overnight trade. I was down as much as what, 98, right? So now I am up 113.75. This is the trade I just took now, right here. So,
75.
right. Yep. Okay. It should be 75. That's 75. I made 75 on that. That's gross. Okay. So what I want to do now is let's see if I can do another trade because at least I'm 75. Let me see if I can do another trade here. So like I said, my goals are on, since I'm only trading one contract, is between 100 to 200. So now you know what this is. This is setting up right here. Now we're above, right? So we may look at this. This might be an overrun. We'll see. Because now what is that? That's almost like it's flat. So we look at this. What is that? So it's valid, right? We could have entered right there, right here. Let me see if it's going to give us another chance, because once it hits over here, then it's too late. But again, we're looking at this more of the momentum of the MACD. Looks like we're still above the 3, which is good. Let me see here. Let me see if we can do this. 52.75.
Order submitted.
Let's go 50. No, 75 is fine. Yeah, 75 is good. So today's going to be scalping day since there's low volatility. If we can get into this trade, our target will be at least another six ticks.
Order filled.
There we go. So anong setup yan? Alam mo, anong setup yan?
B3 code.
Tama. Yeah, very good.
Hmm.
Valid or invalid?
It's valid kasi more than 2 points yung
Yeah.
distance niya.
Good. So, nakikita mo ng ganun.
Yeah.
And V3, where's our target? Usually, I didn't explain this. Usually in a V3, the target is the fill line. Okay.
Okay.
I didn't get into that because we haven't really traded for compression, but usually the target is the fill line for a V3.
Okay.
Target filled.
Ayan. So
Filled
basically, yeah. So tapos na tayo. $150.
Yeah.
Pwede na yun, di ba?
Yeah. Not more than wala pang 20 minutes.
Yeah. I'm trading one contract. My goal, and that's why you have to know what your goal is. I'm only trading one contract. My goal is at least 100. We were over 100. I think we're 150, right?
Yeah.
Tama.
That's it now.
Yeah, yan. Itong dalawa lang.
Yeah, 150.
Yeah. So tapos na tayo. See, that's what I'm saying. How you can easily get one contract within less than what? Wala pang 15 minutes. Wala pang 30 minutes, let's say. No, less than 30. Yeah, less than 30 minutes. We're building 150 on one contract, and basically low volatility as well. The market wasn't moving that much, but I'm just showing you that you can still make money when the market is not moving, if you know where to enter, right? So let me just sign off on this. Okay. So wait, before I said. So with that said, sanay lang kayo, okay? I'm just gonna sign off with my recording. Okay. So with that said, since I made my daily profit goal, my goal was basically one contract between $100 to $200. We actually got 150. I'm happy with that, with low volatility. So I'm going to end it for this evening, and I will talk to you guys either probably Wednesday, because tomorrow I have my webinar with my other DTA students. So yeah, depending on how the market is moving after my webinar, I will see if I'm going to record another trading session tomorrow. But if not, I will talk to you guys on Wednesday. Okay? Take care, stay safe, and God bless. Bye-bye.